it's Tracy, and welcome back to my channel. So, this is week 3 of the Mini Kit Monday that Becky and I are doing. And this is actually the second layout that I've made with this kit. And I decided to go ahead and pull everything that I was planning on using to make this page first. And that way it didn't look, the video would have been so terribly long because I take a lot of time just going through everything and pulling everything out. So I'm using this beautiful green background paper as well as the blue. Now, the blue has some words written on it, and I put it in the bottom third of the page. And I'm using the tag that I had pre-made. I made that in my Secret Not Secret Kit Club. We had a crop one month, and I made a couple of tags. So that's where I got that. And then I put a little black sticker on it that says My Everyday. And now I'm looking through the Becky Bitting stickers. I certainly want to use those. I was just so thrilled when I got those. And you can't see it, but I'm going to watercolor the leaves. So the thing that I have found the best is to use a couple of colors of the green. To me, it looks a little flat if you just use one color. So I try to use 2 or even 3 colors whenever I do some watercolor. And that way it kind of gives it some depth. And I tried to stay in the lines. It didn't work out so well. So I didn't know quite what I was going to do. So I ended up making a wash around the whole leaf, the whole sticker. And it looks like it was supposed to be that way. Now I let it dry naturally. I don't add my heat tool to it. That is one thing you'll know about me. Rarely do I use my heat tool. I think it causes more problems than, saving a couple of minutes. So I'm busy anyway putting this page together, so I can let it dry. Doing everything down with my ATG gun. That is my go-to for adhesive. It took me a long time to buy that. I wasn't sure if that was something that I wanted to invest in, but I am so glad I did. To me, it is absolutely worth it. I know sometimes it gives me a little bit of fits. You know what gives me the fits is opening it. I don't know why it's so hard to open. But once I get it opened, it's all good. I can thread it through and it's not that difficult. It's really pretty easy. So that's my main source of adhesive. And I'm putting it's a heart-shaped sticker with a black swan on it. It's going to go right next to the tag. And then a wood veneer butterfly is going to be on the tag, but next to the heart. And to be honest with you, as I was going through the footage of this, this page, some of the footage got lost, or my video camera just stopped because it just stops abruptly. It's not like I stopped it. So I do apologize for that. So at the end, I will go live and kind of go through everything that I had done since it stopped so abruptly. Now, the only reason I used the wet glue on that XOXO is because I thought it was too fragile. So here, I'll go live. Okay, so the things that I didn't mention on the video is there's the purple hearts. I did do a couple of the brads. Actually, I did 3, the green brads. And what I do on the back is I put some washi tape on so they don't get hung up, on the page protector or the pages as you slide them in and out of the page protectors. I did add my sequins like I usually do. This is a sticker. And then I used, this is from Ellie Studio. And then here is the wooden camera. I had it down here for the longest, but I went ahead and put it up there. And then this says, "You are my happy." These are also from the stickers. This is from the Chamel sticker booklet that I had, which I believe that's where this came from. So I put this here to the side. And then the last thing is I had cut a couple of strips of this pattern paper, and put it at the top and the bottom, and I think that that helped make everything cohesive with all the black and white that's going on. The last thing that I did is I outlined everything close to the edge with a black marker. I usually use the Faber-Castell, the Pitt Artist Pen. I have them in extra small, small, medium. I also use, this is fine. This F is for fine. And so I went along the edges here and along here because they were already here on this little banner, and I thought that I loved the way that looked. So that was it. Thank you guys for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, or a comment. I would be thrilled to get that. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you.